You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to say the alphabet in Spanish. If you're looking at how to pronounce each and every letter, well, make sure to stay tuned to this channel. I'll show you the video to learn the whole alphabet in a second. Alfabeto is how you say the word alphabet in Spanish. How to say the alphabet in Spanish? Alfabeto. Here is the video if you want to learn the letters of the alphabet. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Gracias. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.